Okay, this is the word problem for September 10th. So I'm going to read it and look for the important information to figure out what question is being asked and how I can solve it. Then I'll write an equation, maybe draw a model. I'll figure out a strategy to solve the problem. There are 7 tables in the cafeteria with 5 kids at each. If 20 kids leave, how many kids are left in the cafeteria? Okay, this is a two-parter. So these can be tricky because I have known children to do the first part and then not do the second part. So we're going to make sure we do both parts. There are 7 tables in the cafeteria with 5 kids at each. So I'm thinking of 7 tables with 5 kids at each. If 20 kids leave means take away. How many kids are left in the cafeteria? So we have to find out, first of all, how many kids were there before 20 kids leave. So I can do a couple things here. I can do a bar model with 7 tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and put 5 in each. Or if I wanted to look more like tables, I could do 1, 2, well, those are round tables, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I could put 5. Now, if you want to put dots, you can put dots. It just would take a little bit longer. So the first thing I'm going to do is find out how many kids were in the cafeteria before some left. So the first part of my equation, we have 7 tables, 5 kids at each table. So I could either do a repeated addition of 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. But I know repeated addition, I could also do, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 5. 7 groups of 5. I'm going to have to multiply or repeated addition, and then after I find that answer, I'm going to take 20 from it. To find out, I'll put K for kids. Okay, when I put these parentheses, that just means I'm going to do that first and then do that. Now, with fives, I like fives because I can skip count them very easily. I can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I have 35 minus, oops, you cannot see that, minus 20 equals K. Now, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, oh, besides just doing subtraction, this one, I could actually just cross out 20 because 5, 10, 15, 20, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. And now what I have left is 5, 10, 15. So 35 minus 20 equals 15. Now, I have my equation. Okay, here was my original equation. Okay. Okay, this is my equation. But now I need an answer statement. So I have to go back to what were they asking me? How many kids are left in the cafeteria? So I'm going to write an answer statement. There are 15 kids left. Okay, this is my answer statement. This is an equation up here. Okay, so when you put it in your Google form, you need to have both the equation and the answer statement, or I will send it back to you to fix.